My room is very messy. Oh my god, look at this. That's my quad bench. That's my editing bench. On my bed there's clothes. There's music stuff there. There's charging station there. Welcome to my room, guys. And this is about the challenge by Wild Willy called the One Tree Wonder. I don't know, it's about a tree and you have to do all the stuff around the tree. I had fun doing it today, it made me go outside, I was with my friend Snake. I hope you guys enjoyed this edit. This camera is super heavy right now, so the intro is gonna stop very soon. If you haven't checked Wild Willy's videos, you still have 1 week to do the challenge. I'm gonna put a link somewhere in one of these two corners and you're gonna be able to check the video and what it is about. I encourage you to participate because it's super fun to do. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did today and I hope you enjoyed this edit. See you soon, guys. It's the last night. Put the wide angle on. I didn't even do an intro or anything like this. Do you want to say what?
Intro now.
Hi guys. Today we're doing the Wild Willy Wonder Tree Challenge.
No, you're not. You didn't even do it.
I did.
Are you here with me? Just looking out on the day of another dream, where you can't get what you want, but you can get me. So let's set out to see, 'cause you are my medicine. When you're close to me, when you're close to me.
How many?
17.
Good job. When was the last time you flew that many batteries? In one day?
America?
So what's that, like a year?
Yeah, probably. Not even with you. Last time I think I did at some point 12. 17 feels good.
Well, I think I don't know how many I did, but
Close to that.
the most I've flown in maybe a year.
Yeah, it's good.
Bit of electrical tape. Fucking she'll be right.
You're right.